Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can run ads on your Shopify store. Once you're on your Shopify admin dashboard, you can press on here, Marketing, and then Automations. You can press View Templates here. And this is the couple of templates that Shopify has for you. I can't show you the tutorial because I don't have a premium plan, but it should be pretty straightforward here. Like there's send a package stop email, send browser push notification, send a post purchase email, welcome new subscriber. This is a form of ad. But if you want something more on your face, you can download an external app to run your ads for you. And how do you do that? Just on the search bar up here, just search on ads. And then just press this, search ads in Shopify App Store. And there'll be a ton of ads that you can pick from here. It's all different apps and it might have different procedures for each of them. So I can't show you all of it in depth. But honestly, you just press ads and then you click on one of these. It'll guide you through with on-screen prompts, which is pretty simple in my opinion. So you should be able to get the hang of it pretty easily.